This article is coming from the Motley Fool. This stock near 52-week highs is a monster in the making. Now, this article pertains to Celsius Holding, and I did a short on them the other day and never heard of the company, but they were associated with Monster, and Monster has had monster results in the last 20 years. So, Celsius Holding is a energy drink company, and over the last 3 years, return on investment was up 2,100%. Again, Celsius makes energy drinks with natural ingredients and markets it to the fitness industry. It's become one of the category leaders on Amazon, has grown from about 82,000 stores locations at the beginning of 2021 to 210,000 today. It also has a partner in PepsiCo, which is a global distribution partner for Celsius, which helps. Perhaps more important, PepsiCo's size and expertise will help Celsius succeed overseas. So most of their revenue is coming from locally, domestically. Only 36 million is coming from overseas. So huge opportunity ahead. Celsius is poised to rapidly increase earnings as revenue grows faster than expenses. With zero debt on the balance sheet, that's great. 614 million in cash. Share repurchases could be on the table. Probably not, because it's still in growth mode. However, the stock trades at a forward PE earning of 87, which is expensive. But if you can compare the PE to Monster Beverage based on expected earnings growth, well then it's relative to Monster, and Monster is a mature company. Now, this other article is coming from the Motley Fool. Where will Celsius Holdings stock be in 5 years? Well, just reflecting back, 5 years ago, if you had invested 10K, it would be worth 200K now, which is 20x. And again, the article refers Celsius to Monster. From the perspective of Celsius management, it's been growing by increasing the size of the overall energy drink market. So it hasn't been taking market share from Monster or other competitors. It's been expanding the market, so everyone's benefiting. Grand View Research believes the market will nearly reach 178 billion by 2030, compared to 92 billion in 2022. That's huge. Ally Market Research says the market will only be 108 billion by 2031. Considering Celsius revenue is still under 1 billion, the company has a remarkable runway for growth for the coming decade. What is, let's see, market cap of Monster Beverage? Wow, 61 billion is the market cap for Monster Beverage. So if Celsius can get to a market cap of Monster today, you're looking at a 61x return on your money. Management already provided sales data showing a 136% year-over-year jump in sales during the first 4 weeks of this year. Celsius revenue was up 71% year-over-year in the fourth quarter of 2022. Celsius is one of the world's fastest growing consumer businesses. And if things happen, I believe it's reasonable to expect Celsius stock to outperform the S&P over the next 5 years. So let's just go to the stock. In earnings, price broke through the resistance, which was also at once upon a time all-time highs. You got to expect a pullback, at least to where now resistance, it serves as support at the 120 level. But let's zoom in. Alright, this is the weekly chart. Alright, let's get surgical on the daily chart. So price gapped on earnings and was bid up, right? There's no wicks, no bottom wick anyway. It was just bid up. You have a wick on the top side as people who were in the money took some profits off the table. And Thursday was more of an indecision day. Now, where would be a good time, a good level to get in? If price can pull back to the 120 level, that would be a good area to get in, as again that was previous resistance, which now should serve as support. However, the best level to get in is if price can fill this gap, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Just want to look at other earnings. Price gap down and gapped up. Price gap down and close red. Price gap down and close red. Alright, just looking at historical earnings to see how price performed afterwards. Let's go to the option market. Just want to see if, out of curiosity, if the options on Monster is liquid or not. Not very liquid. Alright, let's look at so I don't anticipate Celsius being liquid. Again, Monster is 60x bigger than Celsius. They don't even have options. Alright, so if you wanted to get in, you would have to buy the stock outright. Option is just a cheaper way to get in. Alright, I would advise to keep Celsius on your radar. If you know anything about Monster Beverage's growth over the last 20 years, then you know Celsius could be a similar opportunity. Maybe I'll do a video on Monster's growth over the last 20 years or so. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.